And welcome back to my channel. At sa video ito, ating pag-aaralan naman ngayon ang surface area of a prism part 2. Okay? So sa part 2, meron tayong cone, cylinder, at sphere. Okay? So example number 1 or letter A. So meron tayong cone dito. Ito ang ating formula na pi RL or pi times the radius of a cone and then the length of a cone and then plus pi radius power of 2, okay, or r squared. Alright, so let's identify first yung mga parts na gagamitin natin. Yung radius, okay, ang radius ay from the center of the circle hanggang dun sa kanyang tag dito, ito yan, side niya. Okay? So kung 20 yung circle diameter, so ibig sabihin yung kalahati ay 10. Okay? So ang radius niya is 10 centimeter. Okay? So ang length, itong side na to, yan. Ang length, 35.4 centimeter. Okay, so hindi natin gagamitin itong 34 centimeter kasi ginagamit natin ito sa pagkuha ng volume. So sa topic na to, surface area lang tayo. Okay, so kalimitan sa mga teachers, okay, ang ginagawa nila yung pi, let pi be equal to 3.14. Okay, so kalimitan. So ganito, okay, so sagutan natin. So surface area, so 3.14 times 10 times 35.4, then plus 3.14 times 10. Okay, again, ang r squared, it means 10 times 10. I-multiply mo yung 10 ng dalawang beses. Okay, hindi times 2. Okay, so surface area is equal to ilan ito? Kung gagamit tayo ng calculator, so meron tayong 1,425.56 square centimeter. Okay, so yan. So 3.14 times 10 times 35.4, so plus 3.14 times 10 times 10. So ito yung ating sagot. Ang surface area ng cone natin ngayon is 1,425.56 square centimeter. Okay, next. Letter B. Okay, so let's identify first yung mga parts ng cone or yung formula na gagamitin natin. So ang radius, so ayan, yung may arrow tayo dito mula sa gitna hanggang dito sa side ng circle. So ibig sabihin, yan, ito ang gagamitin natin, 5 centimeter. Okay? So ang length, 13 centimeter. And then again, kapag may instruction, yung mga teachers nyo, depende naman sa teacher yun. So, pero kalimitan, especially sa Pinas, 3.14 ang ginagamit. Okay? So, depende sa instruction. Just follow the instruction ng teacher ninyo. Alright. Pi, okay, so 3.14 okay, times 5 times 13 okay, plus 3.14 times okay, 5 times 5. So, meron tayong 204.1 okay, plus 78.5. So, sagot natin, 282.6 square centimeter. Okay, 282.6 square centimeter. Yan ang ating surface area for cone number 2 or yung example natin sa part na to. Alright, so let's move on for cylinder. Okay, so sa cylinder, ito naman ang formula natin. So 2 pi RH. H stands for the height, okay? O yung haba ng cylinder. Okay, ito yung ating example. And then 2 times pi r squared. So, identify muna natin. So, yung r, ayan, mula gitna, hanggang dito sa side. So, 3.5 centimeters. And then yung height, 9 centimeters. Okay, so, let's find the surface area. So, 2 times 3.14. Okay, so natin. Okay. Times 3.5 times the height. This is 9. Plus 2 times 3.14 times 3.5 times 3.5. Okay? Tama ba yung pagkakasulat natin? 9, 2, 3.14, 3.5, 3.5. Okay. So, surface area is equal to 197.82 plus 76.93. Surface area natin dito sa cylinder na to is 274.75 square centimeters. Okay. Moving on. Letter D. Okay, so sulat muna natin ulit yung ating formula. So 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r squared. So ang ating radius, so nakikita natin 15 yung kanyang diameter. Okay? So kailangan kunin lang natin yung kalahati ng diameter. So ang kalahati ng diameter is 7.5 or kalahati ng 15 is 7.5 centimeter. Okay? And then ang height is 6 centimeter. Then again, okay, kung merong instruction na pi let be equal to 3.14 or use 3.14 for the value of pi. Okay, so surface area. Okay, so 2 times 3.14 times 7.5 times 6. Okay, plus 2 times 3.14 times 7.5 times 7.5. Okay? 2 times 3.14 times 7.5 times 6 plus 2 times 3.14 times 7.5 times 7.5. So, surface area. Okay, meron tayong 282.6 plus 353.25. So, ang ating sagot dito sa cylinder na to, ang surface area ng ating cylinder for this example is 635.85 square centimeter. Okay, 635.85 square centimeter is the surface area for this cylinder. Okay, next move on to sphere. Okay, surface area of a sphere. So ito yung ating formula, 4 pi r squared. Okay? So kung halimbawa meron tayong radius. Okay? Halimbawa, ang radius ng sphere ay 3. Okay? 3 centimeter. So ano ang kanyang, so ang pi, again, gagamitin natin is 3.14. So ang surface area, 4 times 3.14 times 3 times 3. Okay? So surface area natin dito ay 113.04 square centimeter. Okay, another example. What if the radius is equal to 4? Okay. So pi is equal to 3.14. So SA, so meron tayong 4 times 3.14 times 4 times 4. So ang surface area natin, okay, 200.96 square centimeters. Okay. Ganon kasimple, ganon kadali. Ako po si Konkru TV. Maraming salamat po.